Hi guys, today we're going to look at two things. Firstly, in 44.25.3 there's a new icon appeared. I didn't know it was there. It wasn't there last time I looked, but it is now. It's the SOS, and it appears in a corner like this, and we're going to look at what that's all about. We'll have a look at examine that. And secondly, I'm going to show you how you can, using one of these tags, open up the window. Well, how good is that then? So you can open the windows now with just a crack.
Number 1.
Okay, so let me show you. The first thing you do is you hit the button and it takes you to the safety screen. So you can find it in the safety screen. It's there and it's in the top here. It's right at the top. Now you hit the button.
An emergency call has been triggered. To cancel it, use the display screen. The emergency call has been cancelled.
Now, I've also got one up here. So if I hit the button.
An emergency call has been triggered. To cancel it, use the display screen. The emergency call has been cancelled.
Okay, so that's fine. So if I come out of my screen a second, and let's go in to that screen. If I press my emergency button.
An emergency call has been triggered. To cancel it, use the display screen. The emergency call has been cancelled.
Okay, so it takes you to the same screen, but doesn't show that on there. So my button does both. So I have the button on the screen here, hit the button, comes up to that. I hit the emergency button.
An emergency call has been triggered. To cancel it, use the display screen. The emergency call has been cancelled.
And you see the same screen there. So that is great. And that's 25.3. So you have that now. Great. Now let's go on to the exciting bit, and I'm going to show you after this.
Welcome again to Mal's Back Talking Tesla. My car's a 2019 Model 3, but this video is correct for all models and years of the Tesla, including yours. I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe at any point if you find this video useful. Doing that will get you all the latest releases, and I can provide personal help with the features and enhancements if you get stuck.
Hello, I'm over here.
Number 2.
Okay, so what you have is a tag like this, and they have a sticky side on that side, and you can put it on surfaces. So say we put it there. And what's clever about it is you can put them anywhere. Now I've put one on the back of this, and what this will do is if I go into it and put my phone there, touch my phone there, and it'll open up the front. Now for purposes, I'm going to now show you how to set it up. First thing you do is you go into shortcuts on the phone, so you find shortcuts, there you go, and up comes a list. Now we're going to set a new automation, so we push plus. It gives us two options: set up home hub, which we're not going to do, or create a personal automation. So we want that one. And then we go down the list and we look for NFC tag, and you can see it just there. So we click on the NFC tag and it says scan the tag. Okay, so we scanned it, and we're going to call it, just for the moment, test. Okay, so I've just, you can call it anything you like. I've just called it test. Now I'm going to go in the next stage, and we're going to go into add actions. So you hit add actions, you go into apps, and we're looking, all the apps in here are the ones we can use, but we're going to use Tesla remote. Yeah, Tesla remote. You hit Tesla remote, and these are the things you can do: close charge port, close roof, close windows, disable front and left seat heaters. So there's loads, right? So I'm not going to go through the whole list because it'll be all day. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go and do something that's unusual that we can't do. I think the one that's missing is venting the windows, right? Because that would be a great feature to have, wouldn't it? So let's have a look. Vent the windows. So let's vent the windows. Yeah. Okay, so back into the things. We've vented the windows. Next, when test is detected, it's going to vent the windows. So we're going to say done. That's done. We hit that now. What's happening at the moment is it's not working, and the reason for it not working, what that's saying is ask before running. I don't want to do that, so I want to have it not. So you turn that off, don't ask, and come out of it every time. And now I've entered the windows. Well, how good is that then? So you can open the windows now with just a crack. And Tesla remote app is brilliant. There is literally about 97 different commands that you can do there. Good. So that takes care of that. And remember, I've had now about 600 people have got in touch with me with my light shows that we're giving away. Is you go into your toy box, like so, and look at this now, right? This is the fantastic thing. You go into toy box and open it up, and you know where it says custom light shows here, you open up your light show, and it says schedule light shows. You've got everything you want. Light shows ready. So confirm. I'll have to get off my seat, I think. Anyway, let's get off the seat. That's it. And now open, exit the vehicle. Enjoy the light show. And your windows come down. Well, that's great, isn't it? Now, if you haven't got the light shows that I've been giving away, I've given away 500 so far. There is over 2,700 and odd subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, so you can still get the light show. All you do is hit the subscribe button, like and share and all that. And then as a follower, you will be given any perks that I do in the year that's going to be coming, because it's an exciting year for me, 2023, and I'll tell you more about it in a second. But you will be able to get this fantastic light show. Comes on, you don't have to go anywhere for it, right? So I don't send it in the post, I email it to you. It comes up as an attachment, and then you can put it on your memory stick, one of these, and away you go. Great, done. Now that will be all you need to get. That is, you hit my email address, and that is malback@malcan.co.uk. I'm going to put it in description, and I'm going to put it in my first comment, so you look down there and you will see that. That's great. But exciting news for me. If once a week is not enough for you video, now bear in mind video schedules are quite intense, so make this one video takes about 10 hours. I know it does. You can't believe it. You edit it, make it good, then you don't like a bit, you have to take a bit away, fine. But you might want more of me. You can get more of me now, not in video, but in radio. Wow, radio. Yes, you can hear me actually talking about records and stuff that, you know, interesting stuff that you might have your music or your... Where will you find me? It is in this, Your Hits Radio, here. Go to the website of yourhitsradio.co.uk. I'll put the link here. The link will be in description too. And you will be able to hear me on what days? Well, I can tell you. Monday to Thursday between 2 and 4 in the afternoon. Now, unfortunately, there will be some of you around the world that can't get me yet, because unfortunately it's UK only. And the reason for that at the moment is because they need a license. They need money coming in. It's a voluntary organisation, so they've had to put it out of their own pocket at the moment to get a UK licence up. But to get an international licence, it's about 500 quid. But the actual thing is running now. So on Tuesday, I will be doing my first show. Wow, loads of stuff. We're going to do a 3 o'clock thrill. What that is we're going to pick an artist. I'm not going to tell you one at the moment, but I've got one in mind. And I'm going to put some clues up on the Facebook page. Your Hits Radio Facebook. You will see a point there, and I will actually put in there my clue for the day. I will put the clue up very soon now. You have to guess what that is. You'll be able to talk to me in a live show. So there's a live zone on the website that you'll be able to go in, and while I'm on there, you'll be able to comment. You might want to request. Bear in mind, I have thousands of music that you will enjoy. So you will have everything. It'll be a great thing, and it's not going to affect my YouTube channel. It's going to enhance it. because on Fridays I'll make the YouTube channel for this, which I'm not working at the radio, so nothing will clash. But what it will do, a lot more fun on the program, and there's going to be Soap Watch. What is Soap Watch? Oh, so exciting for 2023 for me. Going to bring you loads of Tesla stuff. Going to bring you myself on radio. Wow. And if you think it's something I'm doing now, I've done it for 30 years. Unfortunately, my other gig that I was working for 30 years, once a week, closed down because the hospital closed down. Not a problem. Got this new one now, and it's going to be great. So we're going to have lots of fun with that. Going to be Bebop Bonanza. What is that? Oh, you have to go on Tuesday. You're going to hear it all then. Okay, tune in then, and I'll see you. Anyway, take care. Sorry to take up so much of your time, but you know, I love my followers. I love you lots. Bring more of me to you so you can enjoy it. Great music. Learn lots about the stuff on Tesla. Learn lots about music in general. And away you go. All right, until the next one. Exciting stuff. Till then, keep well, stay safe, and I'll be seeing you.
More of the best music next, here on Your Hits Radio.